everybody, and welcome to day 7 of Waxvent. And not me today, this is all the lovely Mr. Taylor Green. Thank goodness my voice is starting to crack.
Yeah, it's, patient came in to see myself. We've got this sort of awkward, really dry, solid piece of wax here. It's a bit of a tricky one. I think the patient has at some point been using cotton buds. Which is why we tend to see these plugs really deep in here. Yeah. And the problem when it's really hard like this, we half the time we struggle to get a grip with the suction because the surface is so rough. But you can see it's all kind of wedged right down in that recess as well. I've managed to get a little bit of a grip here, but I'm just gently, kind of wiggling it side to side just to try and walk it out of the ear canal. Yeah. Do I have a manual tool here?
I reckon you've got Rosen inserter underneath.
No, not yet. I don't know. I think I might have used the fine end to start with because it was quite deep and I wanted to see how how it was moving. So trying to hold that grip here now.
It's going forwards, isn't it?
Yeah, slightly. You can see how hard it is. I mean, I'm moving side to side. It is moving slightly, but the tube is not actually gripping that wax. It's just dragging across the surface. Bit of an awkward one. Oh! I thought we were free then.
Looked like it in there. Well, when do you put oil in though?
Do you know? I don't actually know if I do.
Oh.
Do I roll it forwards?
Yeah.
I'm trying to reposition the suction tube here just to try and get one of those flatter bits. Because when it's really like. When the wax is quite crispy, or if it's a bit bumpy, you can't get that solid seal.
Doesn't bed in, does it? Just floats around.
Yeah.
Just realised we haven't changed our.
Oh, we didn't change our hats. No.
We didn't. We forgot. We'll do it for the next one.
Yeah, we'll change our hats for the next one.
It could have been worse. We could have been walking around in clinic with these on.
We could.
Yeah.
It is.
I'm gonna get you a T-shirt with these on.
just me holding two Rosen inserters.
I guarantee someone's gonna design that and email that in now.
Well, the way AI is going now, it's
we should chat GPT it.
Oh.
Other large language models are available. Sorry, guys. but we should do that. We should chat GPT and see if we can design a T-shirt. What do you want with yours, Rosen inserters?
Yeah.
I can't show you a picture though, can I? You can't do people.
Oh, can it?
No, I don't think so. I think it does an approximation of people.
Because you can put a picture of someone up or something, and it'll base it off.
Oh yeah,
off
you
that.
can
You
think
do
about
that.
it.
Yeah.
Oh, would you do a cartoon style, or should we do it realistic? Do you think?
Oh, I'll try a cartoon one, is it?
Cartoon. I could just see Taylor holding a giant Rosen inserter. Oh yeah, 2 Rosen inserters, like Deadpool.
Yeah.
I don't know what I'd have.
You can have a Rikerette.
I'll have a Rikerette. Like a giant shield, like Captain America.
Or forceps. Just have hands as forceps. Forceps hands.
Forceps hands, yeah. Wow.
Of course, is harder than what I thought it was going to be. As in, the removal itself is harder than what I thought it was going to be because it was moving quite nicely to start with. But I think the problem we've got now, where we've started to roll this forwards, it's just got itself wedged. It's just it's just got itself a bit stuck. So I'm trying with the Rosen inserter just to nip behind that little gap that we've got there.
Is it quite a narrow canal then as well?
It's not the I mean I wouldn't say it's a narrow ear canal, but it's just an awkward shaped one.
Makes sense.
Awkward for the wax anyway.
Yeah.
At least break this up a little bit so I can create a little bit more space. Got the suction here now just to try and break these little bits away that we've managed to. See, there's a little gap just in the top left there. There is a bit of space. I think the gap is a little bit too small for like a St. Bart's hook. I think that's just going to end up pushing that.
Gotcha.
I think it's just going to push it back in.
That'd be an option, but if you haven't got a big enough gap, you'll undo all the work you've got to pull it forwards.
Yeah. There's another little bit.
So crisp. Oh,
I got the thicker one in there now, look.
I definitely wouldn't have one of them on there. No.
There's that gap.
Ye oldie.
Yeah, I don't know why I decided to go for the bigger one. I think it was because the smaller one was breaking a little channel through the middle. So I think I was thinking go thicker.
Yeah.
Just kind of, yeah.
See you thinking there.
There we are. That bit's popped out. There's a bit left there now. Bit more space around it.
It's like going in there with one of them, what's it, like Lifesavers. Remember those big rings you have on the side of water?
Oh yeah. Ooh. Is that going to be the grip?
I think it might be.
Oh.
I think it might not be. It's always there.
Yeah.
Well, certainly, yeah, it broke the front end off.
Let's put that in the contract.
Yeah, just get a little wax storage pocket,
Yeah.
that's what I like to call it. Oh, that's not easy.
I'm just doing little bits because I want to see if I can just gently start getting this. Yeah, there it is.
Yeah. Oh no, it's not. I thought you'd have it then. I really
Still
did.
coming. How dry it is.
Oh, I know. It almost looks fibrous, doesn't it?
Yeah. Ooh. Again, we're always checking to make sure the patient's comfortable, and to be fair, most patients are absolutely fine with it, and there's no problems at all with most patients. They're like, yeah, keep going. I'm fine. Don't worry about me. Like, right, we have to.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see it
Oh,
just.
no, that's nice. That peel when it's peeling, you've got it's squeaky clean skin underneath.
Yeah.
Forceps.
Probably could have, yeah. Do I use them? I don't actually know if I do.
Well, you can, no, I don't know.
That's wiggled out. Just get that last little bit now.
That Johnson horn always looks ginormous.
I know.
No matter how big the canal is, it always.
That was a tricky old one there. Have we got the same on the other side? Yeah, of course we have.
Oh man!
Deep again, and it's there this time again. It's wedged into the recess there. I can see what I'm trying to do here. I'm trying to kind of roll this forwards from the top.
Okay. Right.
And I hope that's going to pull out the bit of wax that's stuck in the recess there. Just trying everywhere to see if I got a bit of movement.
Yeah, I think what you're doing is seeing, is this piece attached to the bit beyond?
Yeah, let's get rid of that bit.
Yeah. I think you're gonna have to go top left.
Get that little bit away.
Yep.
Or do I go straight for the top bit? I can't.
We should do this. We should do wax roulette now. I can see we could kind of pause. Does Taylor Green go here and there? And
Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Make your decision now.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are. Look, I can see that's holding it there. Try and get this bit. So that should free up that vertical piece of wax there.
Yeah.
If I can get this little bit away from the side. Ooh, it's starting to come away.
I don't know. I don't know whether it's crumbling off the front section or where the whole thing is. Oh, there you go.
Oh, there it is.
There you go.
Ooh, still left a little bit there. Let's get rid of that bit. Okay, so that bit's gone. So that technically should mean that we can get that other piece away. Oh, it's peeling. Oh no. Oh, no. Oh, there we go. Oh shit. Whew. Oh, that was
Panic.
It was a tense. I was like, oh no. There we are. A little bit of space now for us to bring that over to the left. There we are. Look at that.
Like a greased weasel.
Yeah.
Came really easy there, look.
Just got to try and get this long piece out. Got to manoeuvre it through all the bends in the ear canal now.
Yeah. So
But I probably should use the forceps to be fair on that little bit there.
I went, I was just going to say there it is. Thing is, if you've already used it on one side as well, it's out. You might as well use it.
Yeah. Right, we've got the end of that into the wax now. I'm just going to get a little pull. Try. Oh, nope. I've probably made this harder for myself, to be fair, by breaking it up into little bits.
I think the donut on a stick is going to come out again now.
The donut on a stick.
I don't know. Can you get? I'd have to break. I think you're
think
gonna
I'd
have to
be-
break that front section
Yeah.
off on you.
I think that's what I'm going to do, you know.
Yeah. Just get rid of it. Get it out of the view. Just leave it there. It's fine.
Yeah. Just flick it off after.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the worst. I've had it a few times where I've kind of done this and I've got it so far, and then as I've come out to clean the tube, patient's gone back into it, like itching, and they've just pushed it right way back in. I'm like, oh
no. Put that. No.
Yeah. Stop it. Yeah, they kind of catch you off a little bit, these dry ones. Sometimes they're really easy, and then other times they're a lot more.
If they dry into an awkward shape.
Yeah.
You know, and especially the worst ones are the cotton bud ones where it's domed in.
Compacted, right? Yeah.
Then this little slither to work on the outside edge, and then you've got this thick, like solid section held in by everything else.
But no ruler shot obviously on that one for some reason. I have no idea why, but it wasn't that much anyway. I think it was probably about 3 centimeters, I would imagine.
Well, guys, thank you very much for watching day 7 of Waxvent. Myself and the lovely Miss Teddy Green will be back for day 8. That's 9.
Oh, you had 5 up. Oh, sorry. I thought you were doing 4 and 4.
I was doing 5.
Oh, sorry.
I could do 4 and 4. Do you want to do 4
Oh,
and 4?
you 4 and 4.
The moment's passed now. But
It's gone now. It's gone now. That's too late now. It's too late now.
Well, guys, thank you very much for watching day 7 of Waxvent. Don't forget, if you do enjoy the videos, you can always like, heart, share, follow, and subscribe. That way, then you get to know when we post the next Waxvent video. There's one coming up every single day up until Christmas Eve's your last one, and then we take a break then until the new year. So.
Yeah.
As much as I love doing social media videos and voicing the wall, I do like a little break every so often.
Get tired.
I get tired. I need a bit of a rest, especially after Waxvent. We're like this at the end of Waxvent.
Help.
Yes, we shall see you tomorrow for day 8. But as always, guys, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another. And myself and the lovely Mr. Taylor Green will see you tomorrow. Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.